Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. This week we're going to bring you a very special centerpiece. We're calling it our black tie centerpiece in 3 easy steps. This is one of those centerpieces that you can pre-prepare and just be ready to execute it in any wedding venue or reception or just a beautiful black tie event party. I cannot wait to show you just how simple it is to create. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started with this week's episode, Black Tie Centerpiece in 3 easy steps. All right, guys, let's get to it. So we're going to start with this 7 by 4 inch ceramic black gloss vase. Boy, that's a mouthful. Now I found this in the Dollar Tree. You have to actually go in. They are not selling it online, but they do have them in the Dollar Tree and they are $5. But don't worry, if you do not have a Dollar Tree near you, I do have a link for it in the description right below this video. So one thing I want to encourage you all to do is to rearrange your flowers. They often come with multiple leaves, multiple little add-on little greenery. You can mix and match them. You can remove all of them. You can create a whole new stem from them. So don't be afraid to do that. The key to this centerpiece is structure. You're almost creating a piece of art. Be liberal with the bending of your stems because they have a wire in them. So bend them, contort them, be creative. Because guess what? If you don't like how they stand out, you can redo the bend. So just have fun with it. Create a structure that speaks to you and that almost gives the flowers a feeling that they're floating. Oh, don't forget to do the black also. Well guys, how did we do? Can you just imagine this at a beautiful evening wedding? It's just absolutely stunning and sets the stage for anyone's black tie event. Well, I hope you liked the video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. If you would like to subscribe, please by all means subscribe to our channel where we post on a regular basis. And if you have a question, please leave it down in the comment section, or if you just want to say it was cool. We love it. Leave it down in the comment section. I answer all the comments myself. There's not another person who does it. It is me. It does take me a minute at times, but we have a wonderful DIY community that is there to help because we all know it takes a village. In addition to that, you can like the post, and if you want to hang out some more with us, head on over to our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter, or I guess known as X, Instagram, and by all means, check out our wonderful Pinterest page. We have some brilliant ideas and just wonderful things for you to look at. You can also sign up for your Rakuten account. Very easy. You can get paid for shopping. Head on down to our description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, make your qualified purchases, and receive a check at the end of the month. It is really that simple. Well guys, our time has come to an end. It always goes by so fast. If there is a project that we can help you with, please head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com. You can click on it right there in the corner and you will find the project request tab. Click on the tab and follow the very easy steps. Please remember to send your request in sooner than later. Our production schedule fills up so fast and I absolutely hate telling anyone no. So don't forget, head on over to our website, MissPlanet.com, click on that project request tab and follow those easy steps. You can also find the written and picture instructions to most of our projects, as well as more cost-saving tips that we can't share on our YouTube page, but that we have the time and the space to share on our website. So head on over there and check out our website, MissPlanet.com. Well, our time has come to an end, and every time I want you to know, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. So please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.